Sweating.
Mark says he was shaking and his hands were sweaty when he got out.
Not many rides do that to me. This one did.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
What? Yeah, I got off shaking earlier. Yes.
From like how thrilling it was?
From how crazy it was.
Really?
Yeah. And my hands were all sweaty from gripping this.
No way.
Nathan's like, oh no, don't say that. Ah, let's go.
It's like,
That's what it did to me. It may not be everybody. But
Yeah, Mark likes Goliath.
I've never seen you shake.
I never have. I never have. That's what I did.
This is the slide section, alright?
Wish us luck.
This is not nothing.
So far, it's nothing. Are you kidding me?
Like in terms of the spinning at least.
It's gentle. This is gentle spinning. How do you like Crazanity?
This is crazy. It doesn't spin like this.
Yes, it does.
No, it spins like a quarter of this thing. She's doing like
Like Apollo's cherry has no airtime.
Okay, it's not bad. I'm okay right now.
Yeah, it doesn't get much worse than this in terms of the spin.
Okay, now it's like a top spin. Okay.
Oh, dude, that's brutal.
Come on. It's not that bad at spinning. This is where it starts to get a little worse.
This is rough. I wish I had another click. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had another click. Oh my god. I'm gonna hold on. When I get up there, I'm holding on. That's hold on right now. Hold on.
Death grip on
Holy crap. Holy crap.
on the handle.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh god.
Let me tell you something. Why did I do this again? Pure insanity.
That was, yeah. What were we doing? What? What just happened? What? Like my son Noli says he craps his pants, and I'm pretty sure I just crapped my pants. What? Oh my god! Like, dude, yeah, I know what you're saying about the hands. My hands are racked right now. Oh, they're so racked. Oh yeah, yeah. Cause you like literally don't. When you're up there, you're like, I gotta grab. I grabbed so many times. Oh man. So you know,
My hands are sweaty.
dude. I don't know about sweaty, but yeah, that was a little tough. So, whew, I'm gonna get this. Mark, a SpinCycle. How was that?
Still shaking.
I'm not gonna lie, that was crazy. Sit up there intense. Pretty sure the boys are with a no. You guys doing that again? What about you, Nathan?
No!
Darren, you in?
Yeah, I liked it.
You would rewrite it?
Yeah, absolutely.
That gets
Good hang time.
Ooh.
Off to chill out. Thank you guys.